Guys, welcome to a CV Axo joint Flexx Boot review and compare video. In this video, I got the Dorman Uni-fit, the Blueprint Flexx Boot, and the Beck Arnley. Last being said, I'll be back after. All three of them I got them through Amazon, but you can get them from somewhere else. So this is the Dorman 614003, and this is the Blueprint Flexx Boot 300 right there, and this is the Beck Arnley 1032282. Let's start with the Dorman. So this is what you get with the kit. This is the Dorman. This is what you get. You get this one on the Dorman. It doesn't say much on the description what you're getting, but this is what you get. You got the boot, and then you got the grease and fastener. Two of them. They look the same size. I guess you can use it either way. And then instruction. Right here, instruction. It's made in China. Let's see the Blueprint Flexx Boot. You get a boot, of course, and then you get a big fastener and a small one, and bag of grease. It's a lot. It's a lot of that. It's too much. It's plenty for that one. That's all you get. No instruction. You get one, good for you. And it doesn't say where it's made from, or China or US, but let's just say it's China. It's really nothing made in America anymore. American people don't want to work no more. Alright, what about the Beck Arnley? You get a Flexx Boot right there. You get a big fastener and another medium fastener, a small one, and plenty of grease. And on this one you get the snap ring right there. So this is supposed to be for the inner. That is for the inner for sure. Now finally, it is made in China. I like people that like to say where they come from, who they are. I appreciate those people over there. Unlike the guy over there, he don't say where he come from. So, but it is made in China. So what's the question? As of right now, I am working on a 98 Nissan Pathfinder 4-wheel drive. The measurement on this one, it is a little bit under 6 inches, and the inside over here it is 1 inch right here, and then the big side right here it is 4 inches. It says it will fit outer, which that is true. This is for outer only, so you can use it for smaller one. You can cut it right here, and then you can put your fastener on over here. Check and make sure this one fits good. As of mine right now, it is loose, so that means I'm going to end up cut that right here at this line right there between my fingers, all the way down there, and this should be perfect. Now it is big. You don't want this like this. See, this, that's no good. This one over here, I ordered for the inner. The inner, it takes different ones. So this did not fit mine, so that's why we're going to continue out there. So this one over here, when you buy them, there is two options. You can buy the small one and the large one, which this is the 300 This is the small one, and the large one it is 301. So the inside of this one it is a 3.5 inches the inside of this one over here, and the length one it is let's see, we can see this one right quick. It is a little bit under 5 inches, and the small end over here it is 3/8 of an inch. So this one it's basically made for a smaller car like a Honda Civic, Ford Fiesta, and etc, etc, because you can use it as right now for the Nissan Pathfinder, nothing to do with it, don't cut anything off, and you can cut it off right here and you use it for different one, or you can cut it right here, you can use it for smaller one, which this is 3, like 1, 2, 3 over there. So this is very good one for a smaller car, but for the bigger truck you can get the 301, the large one. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but I'm just trying to make sense what I'm talking about. Now let's go to the Beck Arnley over here. So this one over here, little bit, only one number under 4 inches over the only one number, or 1.5 number right there. So this is the right one. So like I say, this one over here, the liar over here, it don't fit my. The reason I bought this one because I clicked on it, it says it will fit the 98 Pathfinder 4-wheel drive, but it's not true. The difference is over here. I hope you can see it from there. All right there, see, right there, smooth. And then see the Beck Arnley, see that there is this groove right there and right there. So this is perfect for the inner one. So if you try to use this one for the inner one, it's not going to work. This is good for the outer, not for the inner one. This one over here, it is perfect for my 1998 Nissan Pathfinder 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. So this is the old one right here. As you can see, it is perfect. See right there. So the reason that why this will not work on the inner one, this is how you look like. It look like over there. See right there. There's a big gap around there, because that's how the thing it look like, the housing over there. So when you put this in there, it's gonna leave this big gap over here. But when you put the right one, it will, all this stuff over here, it will go in that stuff over right there. I hope I am not missing anything. So this one over here, this is not a Flexx boot, so you can't install them like this one. But you don't have to have the Flexx one, because this is Flexx, you know, like stretch them up all the way out, and not this guy. But if you wanna see how am I going to install this one, or how am I going to install the outer one, I'm going to put that video up here on this corner, and another video on this side over here, and don't forget to subscribe on that side over there. If your housing it doesn't look like this, then you can use this kind of guy. You can use this or this one, and depends what size you got. But in most car, like I say, in most car, inner, not outer, you have to use this kind over there, because it's how it's shaped. It's because cars, they are made in different shapes, different type, different whatever you say. So that's being said, guys, I hope I didn't miss anything. I try to think what else you need to know, but that's all I got right now. I really appreciate you watching this video and subscribing to my channel, sharing, liking my video, all that good stuff, you know, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated here at Motorpart. Once again, thank you very much, guys. Until next video, bye bye.